If you're looking for a way to use AI to create videos faster, better looking, and with perfect consistency, this video is for you. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, because I share powerful AI tools that save you time and open up new ways to make money online. And don't skip ahead, seriously. If you miss one small detail near the end, you might miss something extremely valuable. Ever since Google released Nano Banana Pro, I've seen a lot of people using it. Today, I'm going to show you a method where you only need one single prompt plus one character image, and AI will generate an entire scene sequence for you, multiple camera angles, same character, 100% consistent. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Let me show you the result first. Alright, what you just saw was not manually edited. No reprompting every scene. No fixing faces frame by frame. This method can help you create AI video storytelling, make YouTube shorts, reels, TikToks, or even cinematic scenes for long-form YouTube videos. And the best part? It's actually very simple, even if you're completely new to AI. Let's go step by step together. On my screen right now, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. You have a few options here. You can use Gemini, it's free, but it adds a watermark. You can try Dreamina AI, which is also pretty solid. Or you can use Higgsfield, which I like because the workflow feels very smooth. The important thing is this. No matter which platform you use, the method is exactly the same. First step, you need a base character image. Right here, I'm uploading this image. You can use an AI-generated image or a real photo. Both work fine. Now, this is the most important part of the entire video. The prompt. This prompt is basically the backbone. It tells the AI who the character is, what the visual style should be, and exactly which camera angles to generate out. I originally found this idea from the community, but I've optimized and refined it for better results. I've put the full prompt in the video description, so you can copy and use it right away. And yes, if you want to change camera angles, lighting, or mood, you can easily tweak everything inside this prompt. Now, the fun part. It's super simple. Upload your image, paste the prompt, click Generate, and look at this. The AI created 9 different frames, each with a unique camera angle, but the face stays the same. The outfit stays the same. The overall style stays the same. This used to be really hard to do unless you reprompted over and over again. Stick around, because in a moment I'll show you the cleanest way to extract each image without losing quality. Now let's level this up. If you're creating story-based videos, cinematic scenes, AI movie shorts, all you need to do is add a short scene description at the top of the prompt. For example, the environment, the emotion, Rapid 2A2, the main action. Personally, I use ChatGPT to generate this part really fast. And here's the result. Not only is the character consistent, but also the lighting man, the color tone, the overall mood, everything matches perfectly across frames. Why does this matter so much? Because if your character changes between scenes, your video instantly looks fake and low quality. Before this, I had to re-upload images constantly. Write separate prompts for every angle. Now, one prompt, one generation, done. Now, let me be honest with you. The basic version of this prompt mainly creates multiple angles of the same moment. But if you want the character to move, a sense of time and progression, you need an upgraded version of the prompt. I modified it so the AI understands a sequence of actions, not just camera angles. Here's what I did. Same image, new promptees, added a scene description, and this is the result. You can clearly see the character walking madness, moving toward the light, then stopping. Each frame captures a different moment from different angles. This is what a real scene sequence looks like. Let me show you one more example so this really clicks. Same image, same prompt, only the scene description changes. And the result? Honestly, it looks amazing. Nano Banana Pro doesn't just understand images. It understands story logic. Quick but important tip. Your first generation might not be perfect. That's totally normal. Don't be afraid to generate 2 or 3 times and choose the best set. Now let me show you the best way to extract individual frames. You can screenshot each frame, crop and upscale. But the method I recommend is this. 1. Upload the full image grid. 2. Ask the AI to extract a specific frame. 3. Specify the row and column. The result: no distortion, no quality loss, clean and professional. Now let's talk about video. For this part, I'm using Grok, and honestly, the quality is pretty solid. You can absolutely use paid tools if you want higher-end results. My prompt here is very simple. Describe the camera movement. Add no background music so scenes flow better in editing. And here's the output. What I really like is how natural the sound effects feel, very cinematic. Now for a cool bonus trick. If you want advanced effects, you can use Higgsfield AI. This one is paid. Go to Effects Taskmarkers. Choose a pre-built effect. Upload your image. Paste the prompt. Hit Generate Browse. And boom, instant cinematic effects. You can also try tools like Pixverse, though the quality isn't as professional. For voiceovers, I highly recommend 11 Labs. For text-to-speech, the voices sound natural and emotional. Combine that with tools like VideoGen or Flicky, and you can create full-length YouTube videos very easily. AI right now is opening up massive opportunities. And if you start early, you have a huge advantage. So that's exactly how I create full scene sequences using just one prompt, while keeping the character perfectly consistent from start to finish. Now it's your turn. Try this method and let me know how it works for you in the comments. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to JACKY AI Flow, and comment if you want more videos about AI video creation, AI money tools, or content automation. Thanks for watching until the end. And as always, keep building and keep flowing with AI.